In this video, we will look at the check-in feature in the SafeZone application. You can find the check-in button, which allows you to share your location with local response teams, at the top right of the screen. This does not raise an alert, but may be useful to let people know where you are if working alone or out of hours. Just tap the icon to start sharing and press again to stop. You may also get a message requesting that you check in and share your location during an incident. Next to the standard check-in button is a check-in timer. This is an escalated check-in which will both share your location and automatically raise an alert on your behalf if not cancelled before the timer expires. This may be useful if working alone in hazardous areas, travelling through locations you consider less secure, or when going into meetings with vulnerable individuals. To set the check-in timer, click the icon and then tap and drag on the number of hours and minutes to scroll to an appropriate time. You can add extra information by tapping on the note button, then entering, for example, where you are working, details of your journey, or other useful notes you would want the responders to know if the alert were to be raised. To save time in the future, you can choose to save the text as your default note for time check-ins. Once done, click Confirm and the timer will begin. If you would like to change the amount of time remaining, click on the same icon, which will now display as Set Time, then scroll the hours and minutes again to make changes. When done, click Confirm. As the timer gets close to expiry, you will receive a reminder notification asking you to extend the session, otherwise an alert will be raised. At this point, you can extend the timer, as just described, or cancel it if it is no longer needed. It is important to remember to stop the timer when not required by clicking on the Cancel Timer button in the top right of the screen. If not, an alert will be raised whether the phone is switched on or not. If you regularly check into SafeZone, consider enabling the automatic check-in. This will periodically check your location to see whether you are inside a region which supports this, and, if so, will check you in automatically. To enable, press the menu button, then select Settings, and turn on the Allow Automatic Check-in switch. Note your privacy is maintained throughout, and your location is never shared when outside a SafeZone region.